Hi there, how are you? My name is Alberto Guolo and I'm the chief winemaker here in Casas del Bosque. Today I would like to invite you to taste our Sauvignon Blanc. I would like to introduce our Sauvignon Blanc to you. Blanc is a typical variety here in the Casablanca Valley. Since first it has been planted in 1919. Sauvignon Blanc, the best expression of Sauvignon Blanc is because of its intensity, aromatic intensity, and due to its tile layers, especially on the nose. Let's taste the Sauvignon Blanc Reserva, Sauvignon Blanc La Cantera, Sauvignon Blanc Pequeñas Producciones, that means small production. The main characteristic of this Sauvignon Blanc is because we are able to have some low temperature during ripeness period. This allows our Sauvignon Blanc this concentration of thiols, precursors, aromatic precursors, in order to achieve the best expression on the nose, on the flavor of this Sauvignon Blanc. The wine displays citrusy aromas, gooseberry, grapefruit aroma, and final herbs with some hints of jalapenos, green bell pepper, and all these kind of aromas. I'll invite you to taste it with me. Cheers!